Hello, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in yesterday's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, Saturday, April the 24th, 2021. And today it's actually Sunday, and I've promised you to continue with the rest of the puzzles of the puzzle page or the additional of this newspaper, because on Sunday we don't receive a newspaper. Only on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. All right. And this puzzle, Tectonic, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, will be number 2693. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17. So a lot of printed digits, so it must be an easy one. All right, so let's get started. First question to you: can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. This single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No, I see here. Then the dual boxes. I see here a dual box. I do not know. It contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and the 2. Then, do we have more? No. Triple boxes then. We see here triple box. It contains 1, 2, and 3. Well, we have a 1 here, so no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, could be there. All right. Then quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes? No, I don't think so. No quadra boxes. Okay, then the following step is to recognize some shapes. For example, the T shape or the T construction. I have not rotated this, but doesn't matter. Remember that this box is always the same as that box, or this box has the same number as that box. All right, so this box has the same number as that box. All right, do we have more T shapes or T figures? No, the L shape. Let me see here, the L shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following figure. How about this kind of figure? Yeah, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. And if you rotate this figure, then we have the same figure here, over here. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more? No. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape. Yes. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. All right. Do we have more shapes or figures? Here, this shape. Let me draw this here. Here. All right. All right. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here. So this box has the same number as that box. All right. More? No. Those are the figures or constrictions or construction shapes or figures. Yeah. So let's get started. All right. These 3 boxes surround a 5 cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. All right. All right. This box cannot be a 5. That box cannot be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, but also that box cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1 because I have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. The 1 should be here or there. All right. In this triple box, we need a 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. All right. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, should be there, or could be there, here. All right. If I place a 2 here, then those 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here, but I already have a 2 here. So this is not the solution, to place the 2 here. So the 2 must be here. All right. Let me think. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 there. It cannot be a 2. Should be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. All right. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 3 in this T connection constriction. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. All right. Yeah. That means 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. All right. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. All right. 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. All right. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 goes here. 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 5. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I think. Let me see. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. Right. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3 because it's in the same area, and cannot be a 4, so 1 digit left should be the 5. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. All right. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. And that box cannot be a 1 or a 2 because I need a 1 and a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means Oh, no. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. This triple box, 2 digits left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Well, I cannot place a 3 here. No. I cannot place the 3 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the solution is not the 3 here, but the 3 and there. And the 1 goes here. Alright, now I have a 1 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 digit left for the 1, 1 box left for the 1 should be here, 2 boxes left for the 4 and the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be 4 anymore, that box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3, alright. This box can be 4, that box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for the number 3, alright. Those 2 boxes can be a 2, those 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair should be the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there, alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1 and a 2. I have here a dual box, 1 and a 2. Cannot be a 3, should be a 4. Cannot be a 5, yes, definitely a 4 here. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5, cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. This box cannot be a 2. I have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1. So the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair. 1 and a 3. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Alright. The 3 can also not be here because I have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. So this box should be also, it's connected with that box, should be also the 3 and a 1. Okay. 3 or a 1. Okay. This box cannot be a 2. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1 or a 3. Cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 5. So 1 digit left should be a 4. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright, now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright, now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2, and this box should be a 1. Alright, 2 boxes left in this L shape, mirrored, yes. 1, 2, the 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 4. Here also, no, the 1 and the 3. The 1 and the 3 are missing. 1 and a 3, okay. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3, okay. Woo! Yeah, 1 and a 2. That means if I need a 1 in this W shape area. in one of those 3 boxes. So I cannot place the 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. All right. This box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 5. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 4. All right, I have here a 1 and a 3. We have a 1 here. So this box cannot be a 1. This should be a 3. All right. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. All right. 1 box left in this area for the number 1. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 1. All right. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. All right. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 1 here. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes there. All right, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3, can it be a 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and a 4. All right. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can it be a 2, can it be a 3 or 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be a 5. All right, 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. It's connected with that box, 3 and 4. Now we have a 3 here. So this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. And that box is connected with this box. So this should be also a 3. All right. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. All right. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. 1 star. Well, I give this a 2 stars because for 1 star I need 10 to 15 minutes. Well, this one, 2 stars. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. By the way, in my channel, you can also find a lot of playlists. If you like Tectonics, I have a playlist for the Tectonics. If you like Sudokus with 1 star, I have a playlist with for the 1 star. Maybe 400 or 500 Sudokus with 1 star. I do not know. You need to go to my channel and find and figure it out. Yes. Anyway, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you on Monday. Have a great Sunday. Bye-bye for now.